Hello guys, in this class we can discuss about how to backup and restore our library. Also we can connect an external library to our computer. Okay, let's jump into our class. First, we can see an I button on the right side of every library. Okay, click on that I button. In this case, I am choosing Dark Wolf library. Click on the I button. Here we get three options. The last one is reveal in Finder. That means you can see your project in a folder. By clicking that, you can see your library on your Finder. In Windows, that is Explorer. Okay. This is our current library. Back to Davinci. Here you can duplicate your library. That means you can get an exact copy of your current library. Okay. The next step is backup. This is so important. If you have an important library, then you can backup that. Click on the backup and choose one of the folder, give a name, then save. Click on backup. After that, you get a message, project library backup successfully. Click on OK. Now, back to the library section and close the library. Here is an option, remove. Also, you can right click and choose one of these options. Here is reveal in Finder, duplicate, but there is no backup. To backup, you should go to I button. Now, we need to restore that library. For that, click this icon, restore. Now, find our backup file, click on that, then open. Here, we can give a new name, Dark Wolf, something like that. Then click on create. Now, they ask where we want to save that new library. Most of the case, we backup our library to an external hard disk, then connect to another computer. I mean, another Mac or another Windows. In that time, we can complete the work on other computer. In this case, I am choosing desktop. You can choose any of your folder, then open, then restore. It will take some time. I am clicking restore, then restore successful. Click OK. Here you can see the libraries comes back. For an example, you can start a library in your studio. After that, backup that library to external hard disk. Now, come back to home, connect the external hard disk to our computer, then you can complete the work in your home. The second thing is that you can remove your library or it is unfortunately removed. Then how to reconnect your library to a PC. Otherwise, you don't need to backup. Just copy your library to other computer and reconnect. I'll show you how to do that. The first situation is you unfortunately removed your library or it happens automatically. Then you know where is your library is saved. Okay. The second situation is you can just copy your project to another computer. In that case, you can right click on the library and choose the option reveal in Finder. Then copy the project to external hard disk. In this case, your library is in external hard disk. Now we can connect it to new computer. Then come back to Davinci Resolve and add project library. This time we can reconnect it by clicking connect, then browse, select the project, then open. Also you can give a name. I'm giving a name Nijin. That's my name. Then click on connect. That library is reconnected. Okay. The conclusion is we have two methods to copy our entire library to another computer. First one is just backup and copy to another computer, then restore. In this case, all the library is compressed as a single file. In the second case, we don't need to compress. Just copy all the folder, the library to another computer, then reconnect it to a second computer. Okay.